Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. It's a simple yet powerful tool to transfer data to and from a server. It is also used to test the response time using the different variables. Let's test the loading speed of the website Mivo Cloud. Use this command. You should get the following output. A brief explanation of each option is shown in description. If your website is HTTPS, you can run the following command. You should get the following output. If you don't want to run a long command every time, you can create a file named curl-test.txt and all required options. Add the following lines. Save the close file, then run the following command. You should get the following output. You can just replace Mivo Cloud with your website name or IP address to test the website speed.